we are back with breakthrough coming in the Saif Ali Khan case, where the prime suspect has been arrested. The arrest was made at a labor camp near a metro construction site in Thane. So these are the details that have come in, that the prime accused in the case has been arrested. My colleague Shweta is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Shweta, main accused in the case has been arrested. What are the details?
Well, that's right. In fact, crucial developments coming ahead, while we understand that after growing scrutiny, Mumbai police has now nabbed the main accused. In fact, he has been arrested from a labor camp from Thane. In fact, where I'm present is the Khar police station. My video journalist Chandan is showing you the visuals. It is possible, quite possible, that the accused is kept here. As per our police sources, they also inform us that he was nabbed in wee hours of Sunday from Thane labor camp, where he was hiding near the bushes, in fact, and he has been brought in to Mumbai to Khar police station. In fact, remember, when it comes to the past 72 hours, the growing chorus about how Mumbai police, despite having the parallel investigation going on, is failing to nab this prime accused, which has now been arrested by the Mumbai police. And we have seen several suspects. You know, they were brought to Bandra police station. Quizzing was done. In fact, they were let off after the verification. Now, while it comes to this particular prime accused, he has been earlier identified as Vijay Das, but as our police sources have confirmed that he used to change his name and he used to stay in Mumbai. He used to work as a waiter in various Mumbai's pubs and bars. His real and original name is Muhammad Alian. This has been confirmed by our police sources, and in fact, when he was nabbed, he was taken from Thane to Khar, and he has been most likely kept here, and he will be later on produced in a holiday court, where the police later on the police would be seeking his police remand that is likely to be going off 7 days. And then the line of questioning that plays a very vital role to understand that why this actually took place on Thursday. Now remember, it is one of the rarest case, like how an accused can get inside into an apartment of A-lister celebrity, can attack aggressively, come back, and from 72 hours only on the basis of CCTV grabs, the Mumbai police was trying to nab the accused. While it comes to the motive, prima facie, as per the initial details what we are seeking from our police sources, it suggests that it was to robber. It was clearly an attempt of robbery that couldn't take place because of the intervention of Lima, the household help, and the house help, and later on by the Saif Ali Khan, and he sustained multiple injuries there, where when the accused stabbed him multiple times, and he was rushed to Lilavati hospital. Having said that, it was also known that the initial details that has emerged, that he wanted to do the robbery there and flee away safely. That couldn't happen. However, the accused had managed to be escaping from the hands of Mumbai police for 72 long hours, and we have seen that multiple teams were deployed. You talk about Mumbai Crime Branch or Crime Intelligence Unit or Bandra Police, but now in a joint operation from DCP Zone 6, 9 and Thane Police, the accused, in fact the prime accused, has been arrested. He's identified as Muhammad Alian. Earlier he said his name was Vijay Das. The preliminary information also suggests that in fact he hails from West Bengal. Further investigation would be happening. In fact, as the probe deepens, more revelations would be taking place. In fact, quickly showing you again the visuals of Khar police station, where we are seeing since morning, in fact, brief deployment is here, how the Mumbai police is already active here. And yes, it's going to be a massive breakdown. After 72 hours, Mumbai police has arrested the prime accused in Saif Ali Khan attack case at Bandra residence, and he has been identified as Muhammad Alian.
Okay, all right. So Rakesh is also on the broadcast with us. Rakesh, another suspect had also been arrested. There was news of a man also being arrested, and he had already left Maharashtra as well. What are the details that the police officials have established so far? Of course, the investigations still continue, but what was the role of this man? Was he aided by anyone else? Has the other man been let off by the police officials? What are the details?
Yes, the other suspects in this case who were detained for the questioning, that they are being let off soon in this matter, because they had no role, and as we were discussing earlier, that only their features were matching with this suspect, this main accused, and that is why a lookout was operated throughout the Maharashtra state, and all the railway police and the other police stations were alerted. But right now the Mumbai police, along with the help of the Thane police and the Zone 6 of Mumbai, in a joint operation, they could nab the main accused. In fact, now the question is very important, that whether he knew the entire layout, he knew the layout of the building, he knew the layout of the flat, he knew which is the bedroom of kids. So whether he knew all of that and it was a well-planned execution, or whether it was a coincidence, whether he was working alone for himself, or whether he was part of a larger network and there was somebody else also who was involved in this conspiracy in the context of providing him logistical support. Somebody was keeping a watch on the agencies outside the building or not. So these are all the questions that Mumbai police wants the answer from this accused, and that is why what I've been told that he is right now kept on the 3rd floor of this building, which is the detection room. This entire construction is a police station. It is a 4-story building, and the accused is kept at the 3rd floor, and which is the detection room. So the officers are still interrogating him since last night itself, and in fact the IPS officer, the DCP Zone 9 himself, has left only a half an hour ago from here. So he was also interrogating him for about 2 hours. So he was brought here at 3 a.m. From Thane, and from then onwards for last 3 hours there is a continuous interrogation going on, and he is not standing firm on one sentence. In fact, he is changing all his statement. That is how a smart or sharp or a professional kind of accused he is, that we can definitely make out from his statements. That he is changing his names. First he is saying his name is Vijay Das, then he says that his name is Mohammad Alian, he says Mohammad Elias at times. So whether the documents available with him are also original or genuine or not, that is also being investigated now.
Okay, all right. Rakesh and Shweta, thank you for joining us with those details. We'll come back to you for those